Hello guys, in this video I will talk about the basics of web designs. Before diving into designs, it's crucial to understand the purpose of your website. Are you building a personal blog, an online store, or a portfolio? Define your target audience and what you want to achieve with your site. This foundation will guide your design choices and ensure your website meets its goals. Choosing the right platform. Selecting the right platform is essential. For beginners, popular options like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace offers user-friendly interfaces and a variety of templates to choose from. These platforms provide the flexibility to customize your site without needing extensive coding knowledge. Planning your layout. A well-planned layout enhances user experience. Start with a wireframe, a simple sketch of your website structure. Identify key elements such as header, navigation menu, main content area, and footer. Ensure your layout is intuitive, making it easy for visitors to find what they need. Selecting a color scheme and typography. Colors and fonts play a significant role in your website aesthetic and usability. Choose a color scheme that aligns with your brand and evokes the right emotions. Stick to 2-3 primary colors to maintain consistency. Similarly, select fonts that are easy to read and reflect your brand's personality. Use tools like Adobe Color and Google Fonts. Adding visual elements. Images, videos, and graphics makes your website more engaging. Use high-quality visuals that complement your content and don't overwhelm the user. Remember to optimize the images for faster loading times and better performance. Tools like Canva can help you create stunning visuals even if you are not a design expert. Crafting compelling content. Content is king. Ensure your text is clear, concise, and valuable to your audience. Break up the large blocks of text with headings, bullet points, and images to make it more digestible. Use keywords strategically to improve your site's SEO and help it rank higher on the search engines. Ensuring mobile responsiveness. With more people browsing on mobile devices, your website must be mobile friendly. Choosing a responsive design that adapts to different screen sizes. Test your site on various devices to ensure it looks great and functions well everywhere. Implementing navigation best practices. Good navigation helps users find what they are looking for quickly. Use a simple and consistent menu structure. Include a search bar and a breadcrumb trails to enhance usability. Make sure all links are working and clearly labeled. Focus on accessibilities. An accessible website caters to all users, including those with disabilities. Use alt text for images, ensure sufficient colors contrast, and make your site navigable via keyword. Following accessibility guidelines not only broadens your audience but also improve your SEO. Testing and publishing. Before going live, thoroughly test your website. Check for broken links, typos, and any functionality issues. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your site's performance and gather insights for future improvements. Once everything is in place, hit the publish button and share your creation with the world.